Finding a dining table that doesn't swallow up a small apartment, but still feels like a real, substantial piece of furniture is way harder than it should be. Most compact tables end up looking like cheap patio furniture or wobbly card tables. But this 31.5-inch round table from LUVIOHOME actually manages to strike that rare balance between a tiny footprint and a heavy-duty build. Right out of the box, the first thing that catches the eye is that fluted wood strip pedestal base. It gives off a very high-end, modern farmhouse aesthetic that looks way more expensive than it actually is. Now here is the thing about the weight. At over 50 pounds, this is not some flimsy piece of furniture. It has got some serious heft to it. When you set down a heavy mug or lean on the edge while reading the morning news, it stays completely anchored. That stability comes from a mix of engineered wood and a thick veneer, which can support up to 220 pounds. Honestly, the walnut finish is gorgeous. When you run your hand across the top, the sealed surface has a nice, smooth texture that does a great job of mimicking solid wood. Plus, because it is sealed, spills wipe right off without leaving those dreaded water rings, which is a massive relief if you are clumsy with your morning coffee. But look, it is not entirely perfect. While the assembly is pretty straightforward, getting those base strips perfectly aligned can be a bit of a test of patience. You will definitely want to take your time there, so everything sits flush. Also, keep in mind that 31.5 inches is strictly a two-person affair. If you try to squeeze a third chair in, things get cramped fast, especially with the pedestal base taking up legroom underneath. Still, for a cozy kitchen nook, a small apartment, or even a stylish waiting area, this thing punches well above its weight class. It is stylish, incredibly sturdy, and brings a warm, organic feel to any room without demanding too much square footage. If you need a space-saving table that actually feels like a permanent fixture rather than temporary college furniture, this one is absolutely worth a look.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.